In this video, I will help you move from where you are now to at least the next level you need to be with 5 power factors. Number 4 is the most important. And I promise you, if you make use of these factors, it will be almost impossible not to move to the next level. So let's dive right into it. So the first factor is your attitude. Like the popular saying, your attitude determines your altitude. The beautiful thing is you're blessed with the ability to wake up each day and decide your attitude. You can either give circumstances total control over you and allow them rob you of your energy, or take control of them to propel yourself forward. Each circumstances gives you the opportunity to choose how you react to it. It's never the circumstances that control you. So it's your choice each and every time. And this can be anchored on the law of polarity, which states everything has two sides: love and hate, hot and cold, darkness and light, up and down. So choosing what to focus on is simply a matter of decision and attention. And remember, where attention goes, intention follows. So something tragic happened to me 2 weeks ago that shifted my perspective completely on attitude. I lost my sister and it was very devastating and painful. Although she's been very sick and she's been in severe pains before she passed. But in as much as I would have loved her to be amongst us now, I'm relieved that she has gone to rest. I said that because I could have used it as an excuse to not show up on this channel or to not carry out my regular activities, but I was able to flip my perspective to gratitude. So instead of focusing on grief, I decided to be grateful that she's now in a better place. And this is not to say that I did not feel the pain or I did not grieve. I did, and I still do, but I have to show up regardless of it. So one thing I've come to learn is attitude is so important. It's the single most important part of being totally happy, and it's 100% in your control. It's actually the wind in your sails. So to take your life to the next level, the first and most important mystery to uncover is your attitude. And just so you know, your attitude towards life will determine the kind of life you experience. And most of the time, we don't truly experience life. We experience life based on the attitude we show up with. Like I always say on this channel, you can't always have a smooth sail. God did not promise us a smooth sail, but you have the ability to choose the wind in your sail, and that is your attitude. And I think at this point, you need to actually grab a pen and paper and take an inventory of your attitude towards life. And you need to ask yourself some basic questions. Does my attitude propel me or deter me? How will you react to situations going forward? Are you going to focus on the positive or are you going to focus on the negative? I want you to be very honest with yourself just so you can take your life to the next level. The second power factor is discipline. This is your ability to give yourself a command and follow it regardless of how you feel. Once you have decided and determined what you want to achieve, a pragmatic and disciplined approach must be adopted to achieve the desired outcome. Can I be very honest? The times you don't feel like doing what's needed are when it counts the most, and discipline is what will help you bridge the gap. So the way to develop the ability to get up and do whatever needs to be done, regardless of how you feel, is through shared determination and desire. And I'm going to use the example I used in the beginning again. So when I lost my sister, I never thought in this world that I could have the courage and the strength to get up and shoot a YouTube video or even face the camera while grieving. But guess what? I did it because I was so determined that nothing could break or stop me on this journey. And to my greatest surprise, I didn't know where the strength came from. In fact, when I was shooting the video, I forgot totally about my pain and my grief, and I was just in the moment. So this singular act helped me reframe my perspective around discipline as well, which can be anchored on this saying that there's a difference between being interested in an outcome and being committed to an outcome. When you are interested, you do what is convenient, but when you are committed, you do whatever it takes. So my question to you now is, are you interested in or committed to creating the life of your dreams, or at least taking your life to the next level? And in my opinion, I think literally anything you want to achieve in life requires a certain level of discipline. And there's this saying that discipline is to your life's success what carbon is to steel. You need the one to have the other. One thing I've noticed is the people with the most talent are not the greatest sometimes. It's the people with the most follow through that actually achieve greatness. And what separates them is discipline. because discipline is what will help you pay the price of following through with what you need in order to achieve your dream life. I need you to chew on discipline very well and remember it on the days it gets hard, because there will be. I'm particularly excited about this third factor because it is vision and purpose. And if you have been following through on this channel, you already know how I feel about purpose. Because of what importance is the whole attitude and discipline if there's no purpose to it. The one thing I've noticed amongst us humans is deep inside each of us, we yearn for the true meaning of life. We want to know what we stand for, why we are on earth, what we should actually be doing. We just want to know what our soul came to serve. And to be very honest, these questions are truly worthy of serious consideration and contemplation. If you're new on this channel, just so you know, I'm so big on purpose and I've done quite a number of videos on it, so you might want to look through the channel to catch up and watch them. Or better still, just ask yourself, what is that one thing that if I don't do, I will feel like my life is a waste of time? And the quickest way you can answer this question is to get clear on the vision for your life. Many people are stuck today, not because they don't have what it takes. It's just because they don't know what they want. And without knowing exactly what you want from life, the chances of taking your life to the next level or creating your dream life is very slim. And that is why vision and purpose are cousins. You need your vision to discover your purpose, and you need your purpose to fuel your vision. I don't want to stay too long on this factor. Like I said, there are so many videos already on purpose. You can look through the channel and you'll find it. So let's go to the main factor of this video, which is the fourth factor, and that is focus and action. So this factor is what separates the doers from the dreamers. There are so many brilliant people out there who only analyze and plan. I think they call it analysis paralysis, but they actually never get to the first base because they don't get out and do. So many people are afraid of making mistakes that they have paralyzed themselves into observation instead of taking action. And I was once like so many people. So let me confess my sins. I used to be an observer and I never took action. All I was doing was just analyzing, planning, doing whatnot, waiting for every piece of the puzzle to be put together before taking the first step. What I didn't realize then was taking action actually gives you results you can measure, evaluate, then proceed to modification. So what most people don't realize is you cannot measure observation. You cannot evaluate observation. You cannot even modify observation. The only thing you can do all these things with is action. And if you wait till you have every piece of the puzzle figured out before you feel confident that you can do it, then you will miss out on the journey. And the journey is the destination. So don't get caught in the waiting game or telling yourself stories that, oh, when this happens or when that is ready, then I'll take action. All those are just self-stalling stories that will leave you with nothing but regret. Why this factor is the most important factor is because I want you to be a person who takes action, and you will never feel ashamed or guilty for not trying and doing. Sometimes I feel guilty and bad for not taking actions earlier, and that's why I'm here to charge you to start taking actions. The best time to have taken action was 2 years ago. The next best time is now. And just so you know, all your plans, your dreams, your desires, and your goals will not fulfill itself if the first action is not taken. You see, I could go on and on how focus and action is so paramount to taking your life to the next level or creating the life of your dreams. Because without it, almost all other factors cannot be activated. The focus is the goal, the action is where the difference is. Finally, we are down to the fifth factor, which is persistence. Persistence needed to come right after action because they go hand in hand. And I've come to realize that a very important characteristic to achieving success is persistence. So the real value in persistence is not in what we accomplish. It's the experience we gather along the way. The highs, the lows, the ups and the downs. Those are the gifts. And just like success, many people think it's a destination you arrive at. But truly, it's in who you become along the way and the experiences you gather on the journey that will give you the most joy. And that journey is where persistence comes in, because the journey is long. So you need a lot of persistence to stay on it. So you might want to ask, when do I give up, or when should I throw in the towel and abandon the journey? So let me ask you as well, when will you give up teaching a baby how to walk? Exactly. So let that response tell you when to throw in the towel. So now you know persistence is a major trait you should always have at the back of your mind in the journey of taking your life to the next level or creating the life of your dreams. Before I let you go, let me leave you with this quote from Winston Churchill. And it says, never give in, never, 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 in nothing great or small, large or petty, never give in except to convictions of honor and good sense, never yield to force, never yield to the apparently overwhelming might of the enemy. So my charge to you is to put these 5 factors to use, then come back to tell me that you didn't move at least to the next level. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section, share with another intentional soul. Most importantly, subscribe, and don't forget to stay intentional with your actions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.